Hello and welcome. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to unlock the secrets to boosting your company's profitability and value. We'll explore how trimming down operating costs and eradicating inefficiencies in your maintenance operations can make a difference. Plus, we're going to let you in on a game-changing tool, a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS. By the end of this video, you'll know how a CMMS can give you a solid return on investment and how to calculate it. So, stick around to discover the impact of this powerful tool on your bottom line. Are you looking to increase your company's profit margin and overall value? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about how you can achieve this by reducing operating costs and eliminating inefficiencies in your maintenance operations. The key to this success? Implementing a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS. So, what is the return on investment, or ROI, in a CMMS? Basically, it's about whether the value you gain from purchasing and using CMMS software outweighs the original money you invested in it. The big question here is, can you justify the purchase of CMMS software after analyzing its impact on your company over time? To answer this, you'll first need to calculate your return on investment. A common formula to calculate ROI is ROI equals the CMMS value minus the CMMS cost, all divided by the CMMS cost. To determine the value of a new software, consider the benefits gained. To determine the total costs of CMMS software, carefully factor all costs associated with using it. Let's talk about how to determine the value of CMMS. First, let's look at productivity gains. In a study conducted by UpKeep, where 1,000 UpKeep customers provided data about productivity increases after replacing an antiquated maintenance system with UpKeep's mobile CMMS software, we found a 21% increase in technician productivity when switching from paper and pencil to mobile CMMS, and a 12% increase in technician productivity when switching from desktop CMMS to mobile CMMS. To assign a dollar amount to these increases in productivity, you need the average salary of technicians and the number of technicians on your team. Then use this equation to determine the annual ROI of CMMS based on technician productivity. Next, let's consider cost savings with spare parts inventory. If you have a storeroom managed by a parts manager, estimate an increase in productivity based on how much easier it will be for them to keep proper inventory and stock counts. For example, when a technician adds a part to a work order through UpKeep, the quantity of that part is automatically updated in real time in the inventory. Another important factor is the reduction of equipment downtime. Unplanned equipment failure or planned downtime can be detrimental to your company. But when you use CMMS software like UpKeep, you can have a better grasp on asset management, preventive maintenance, and inventory to help minimize the negative effects of equipment downtime. And finally, let's not forget about eliminating the cost of failing audits. Conducting preventive maintenance audits is a way to ensure your company is producing reliable asset health and function while minimizing downtime and operational lifecycle costs. Now, let's move on to determining the costs involved with CMMS software. First, you need to consider the cost of licenses. During your research, you'll probably find that many providers charge per user. Next, you need to factor in the cost of implementation. This is the cost associated with getting your CMMS up and running, organized, and ready to use. Then, there's the cost of onboarding. This is time-based and depends on how many hours it will take to onboard technicians and your team to the software. And finally, you need to consider the cost of hardware. To effectively utilize your new CMMS, you'll need a tablet or smartphone to leverage the mobile-friendly functionality. Now that we've covered how to calculate your CMMS ROI, let's talk about how to improve it. First, utilize all of the features. A great CMMS solution is built with the best features in mind. Second, train your employees. Properly training personnel on how to use CMMS software enables them to accurately identify trends, enter data, and utilize the system to its fullest potential. Third, utilize integrations and updates. Check that your CMMS software easily integrates with your existing tech stack and is continually updated to improve functionality and performance, fix bugs, and improve security. And fourth, track your key performance indicators or KPIs. Properly tracking KPIs helps provide measurable and quantifiable metrics for evaluating activity performance. So, are you hoping to gain an ROI by investing in CMMS software? UpKeep offers a handful of solutions to help eliminate inefficiencies and downtime associated with outdated maintenance management systems. When you choose UpKeep, you'll have access to streamlined work order management, preventive maintenance scheduling, real-time monitoring of assets, automatic inventory updates, analytics and reporting, simple integrations, easy onboarding, and more. Take advantage of the many benefits UpKeep has to offer and see an ROI with your CMMS before you know it. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored how a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, can boost your company's profitability and value by reducing operating costs and eliminating inefficiencies. Remember, the key to success is implementing a CMMS and utilizing all its features. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. For more information about UpKeep and our solutions, visit upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you achieve a solid return on investment with your CMMS.